What is up, you guys? Pete DeCarlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and today we're going to be talking about a position that I ended up taking yesterday, currently up about $500 on. It still has a lot of room to run, so this could potentially be a good trade for anybody who is looking for one, and the ticker is MARA, or Marathon Digital Holdings. So we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about this gap up. We're going to talk about why I saw value in this and ultimately where I plan to sell. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord. It's completely free. You guys get access to tons of free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as a ton of other great resources. We are 6,000 members strong. Our goal is 25,000 in 2022 and to become the biggest and best free trading community out there. Go ahead and check it out and join the team. Now, looking at MARA, you can see here that yesterday we had a cross of the 50-day SMA over the 200-day SMA, which is considered a golden cross on the 1 hour time frame. Now, I've been testing and back testing in the strategy tester on TrendSpider a ton of different scenarios and scripts, figuring out what has been one of the best. And one of the things that seems to actually be very, very consistent is 1 hour golden crosses and 1 hour death crosses. Now, this is a very basic strategy for anybody who is new to trading, so this might be good to, deploy within your trading strategy. But I've decided I'm going to take a small bit of my portfolio and I'm going to mess around with this, kind of figure out maybe take 80 to 100 trades over the next couple of weeks, couple of months, and see how this performs. But the reason that I saw value in this is if we look at the strategy tester here, if I set up my golden cross parameters here, and we set the 1 hour chart time frame and we hit a run for this strategy tester, and I maximize this at the bottom right side of your screen here, you're going to see the tablature data. And you can see for this data, this is running if you were to enter on a golden cross and exit on a death cross for MARA over the past 4 years. How would you have performed? You would have made 1,830% profits over 4 years, while MARA itself has only gone up 150%. So you would have extremely outperformed the market, or outperformed MARA for sure, just by using this strategy. Now, this is where it gets crazy. You would have been able to take 19 positions, so 19 times within the past 4 years we had a golden cross. You would have taken 8 winners, so only 42% of the time you would have been profitable. 11 losses, so 58% of the time you would have lost. Your max drawdown would have been a 72% loss, and your average win would have been a 148% return, with your average loss of a 10% loss, giving you a whopping average return of 53% and an average risk versus reward ratio of 13, meaning in order to make $13, you have to risk $1. I really, really like that. So when I saw this set up, I said, I'm going to run the strategy test, and I saw this. I was like, holy crap. Now, I'm not expecting to make 150% return today or in the next couple of weeks. I am really looking just to see how this happens. Now, looking at where we are, we had a really good swing up and a really good swing low, and I threw this Fibonacci retracement here to see where these good supports are, and so far we held that $26 or 50% fib line, and we took a good bounce. Nice gap today, holding here, holding over the 22 EMA, holding over the 11 EMA, holding over the 50 SMA. There is a bit of a resistance right here at 28 where this big block of volume is, but if we can push through 28, MARA should very easily be able to run back up to 30 and even up to about 32/33 because there's so thin volume over here, which from where we are right now is at least another 16% move. So I'm not necessarily saying this is the best time to enter. The best time to enter would have been yesterday when I called it out to our private group, but this is still a very, very good time to enter MARA if you are somebody who is looking to enter with a position. Now, traditionally, I'd be looking to exit this at 31 and 33, but I think I'm going to end up waiting until the death cross occurs, because there's been plenty of times where it looks like on this cross you would have ended up taking a profit here at 56. It pulled back and then we continued to run. So I'm not going to time this or any of these 1 hour crosses. I'm really just going to take the position. I'm going to enter one of the 1 hour crosses and I'm going to exit one of the death crosses. And whatever happens, happens. That's the goal, guys. I'll continue to keep you posted. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out the Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow.